Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the news at 6 a.m. I'm Hảo Nguyễn. Today, I'm going to read the news on SaiGon Times. Vietnam Airlines plans to sell aircraft due to losses. Vietnam Airlines, whose trading code is HVN, is seeking ways to restructure assets, sell aircraft, and divest from certain businesses to cope with huge losses and improve business operations. The carrier is proactively mapping out a 2021 to 2025 restructuring plan with a focus on dealing with accumulated losses, the local media reported. Under its plan, Vietnam Airlines will recover business post-pandemic and restructure assets, including selling aircraft, leasing older planes, and divestment. Besides, the airline will issue shares to increase its capitals in 2023 to 2024 period. In the first 3 months of 2022, the airline posted over 11.6 trillion VND in revenue, up 55% year-on-year, and reported net losses of over 2.6 trillion VND, sending the national flag carriers accumulated losses up to 24.5 trillion VND, or over 1 billion USD. The airline's operations have been severely affected by the COVID pandemic. Particularly, its international services were suspended from March 2020 to mid-March this year. The carrier said in its recent dispatch explaining why HVN shares were put on the watch list. The airlines incurred losses in 2020, 2021, and the first quarters of 2022, while its equity was negative as of March 31st, leading to the HVN stock being put on the watch list in line with Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange regulations. Thank you so much for your listening. I wish you a nice day. Bye-bye for now and see you tomorrow. Love you.